How to troubleshoot a floor scrubber that isn't dispensing water or suctioning water.
Open the cover of the vacuum motor and check if it's loose. If it's loose, tighten the screws around the vacuum motor. Start the machine and ensure the wastewater tank cover is securely latched. Examine the filter screen inside the wastewater tank and remove any debris. Open the black cover. If there is debris, rinse it with water. Tighten the cover of the drainage pipe. Inspect the pipes for any damage or cracks. Check the rubber strip in the squeegee for any damage, and replace it immediately if it's torn. Verify that the water hoses are securely attached, ensuring they are clamped by the black clips and not loose.